Refectory, one of the 2 places that you can eat. How to pay is that on the first day of school you'll get your fingers scanned. You can pick whatever finger and then you'll put it on one of these sensors and it will pay and it will buy the food for you. Your parents can actually load money onto your account and they can also see when and what you've bought in the diner or refectory.
If you have free school meals, your money for your meal will automatically be loaded on it. It makes it quicker at the tills.
This is where you line up and this is where you line up to get your food. If you've done good attendance or you've won a prize for something, one of the prizes might be a speed pass or a fast pass. It means that you can skip all the queue and get your food quicker.
This is the diner.
This is the other place where you can get food. You can get hot meals there.